Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Ali Asgar. My ID is 181433317. My group name is Team Incredible. My group members are Mr. Onik Ghosh, Mr. Afghan Afsar, Mr. Rudra Prasad Mondol and Mr. Mahbubur Rahman. First of all, I would like to thank our honorable faculty, Mr. Nurul Afsar, who gave us this opportunity. Now I am going to start with my presentation. My topic is Sustainability Standards and Certification of Sustainable Tourism. Sustainable tourism, which is the principle of sustainability, can be applied to any type of tourism like mass or specialty, city, beach or wilderness, large or small. There also can be applied to all sectors of the tourist industry like lodging, tours, agencies, ground operators, guiding and transport. Many sustainable tourism certifications programs consider sustainable tourism to be any kind of tourism that seeks to minimize ecological and socio-cultural impact while providing economic benefits to local communities and host countries. Continues. The World Tourism Organization, which is called WTO, declares in 1988 that sustainable tourism is investigated as leading to management of all resources in such a way that economic, social and aesthetic needs can be fulfilled while maintaining cultural integrity, essential ecological process, biological diversity and life supports. For further explanation, I will call Mr. Onik Ghosh.
Thank you, Ali Asgar. My name is Onik Ghosh. ID is 181433330. My discussion topic is ecotourism. Ecotourism is a sector of tourism based on natural travel and including the principle of sustainability. The International Ecotourism Society defines ecotourism as responsible travel to natural areas that conserve the environment and improves the welfare of local people. Whatever definition is used, ecotourism should have a positive impact on both natural areas and the local community. Ecotourism is one kind of sustainable tourism based on natural and useful, usually following a distinct set of principles and good practice. Continuing to the next slide. Sustainability. When we talk about sustainable activities, it usually means that we can do the activity in the same or similar way for the indefinite future, sustainable in time, in three means expect, environmentally, socially and culturally and economy. When we take these three aspects into account in our activities, this is called the triple bottom line. Sometimes it is referred to as doing well by doing good. Mr. Apnan, please continue to the next slide.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Afnan Afsar and my ID is 181433331. The rule of tourism is standard. Sustainability standards are a benchmark of a target from minimum performance required by a tour operator. Transportation provide hotel attraction or the other tourism organization to be considered sustainable or environmental responsible. An organization or government establish standard with input from expert in the tourism industry. If the organization is non-governmental, it will go through certification, a process of assessment to confirm that standards are met. Certification is granted by an organization that has received accreditation verification that an organization standard, testing and certification process are acceptable to the government body. In the case of GSTC criteria, the accreditation is performed by the Global Sustainable Tourism Council. Thank you. Now I like to hand over my rest of presentation my group member Rudra Mondol.
Thank you, Apnal Afsar Bhai. I am Rudra Prasad Mondol and my ID number is 1824337 and my theme is certification and it's important. Now come to the point, what is certification? Certification is a activity or product made to the standard quality within the tourism industry. Different organizations have developed certification program in different way. Something quality for the certification sometimes provide quality for the entire tourism industry, sustainably also for all sector. Ecotourism for sustainable tourism that take place in natural protected. Now what is important about certification program? It sets standard and helps to develop genuine ecotourism and sustainable tourism business from others that make empty claim. There are some number of other reasons why certification is important. Benefits for certified business, benefits for consumer, benefits for government, and last, the benefits for the environment, local communities. Now I request to my friend Shakir. Thank you.
Thank you, Rudra Prasad Mondol. My name is Mahbub Rahman. My ID number is 182433445. My discussion topic is type of certification and eco-label. Some of the main destination among program are first, second, or third-party certification, process-based certification program, performance-based certification program, certification or eco-label, pass-fail certification or classification to different level certification various accordance. My seventh topic is global tourism standards. Establishing global industry standards large undertaking, but global sustainable tourism council is making a progress. Industry stakeholders have reached consensus to sustainable tourism practice for hotel and tourism operators, and input being the socialistic for the practice tourism destination, because the range of business and environment involved is diverse. The process of raising standards but satisfy everyone complex and requires standards consider effort. One problem of GSTC want to address through international standard is conscious. Although the standards program is provide guidelines, following them is voluntary, because it makes it easier to attract participants and reduce the cost and tourism business. Thank you.